Hello YouTubers, how we doing? Welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you my another collection, shoes collection. Yeah, this is a Nike Air, more low temp, and then inspired by Scottie Pippen, as I heard. But this model is a year 2025. Alright, I bought this one is around 115 euro, and before is 169.99 euro. They have sold this kind of shoes, that's why I saved 54.99 euro. It's a good purchase. So look at this, it's a very nice shoes. Nike Air, more low temp, royal blue. Oh, it's amazing shoes, very nice. See what's made of this one. Made in Vietnam. Yep. Like Air. Look at that logo, it's so nice. Wow. Amazing. The logo, so nice. Wow. Very nice, looks good, huh? I have a lot of collection of Air Jordan, but I'm gonna try this one. I'm so amazed about the design of the shoes. It looks cool, so I'm gonna try to wear this one. Okay.